Hi, welcome to my crochet tutorial. This is Auntie Nat's Crochet. I'm excited to have you here today. Whether you're brand new to crochet and looking for something new to crochet, you're in the right place. I can't wait to share my tips, tricks, and favorite techniques to you. Do me a favor before we start. Do click on the subscribe button over here. I have thousands of videos, so do check them out. And if you like any of these, it's in my earlier posts. This is the latest one. It's all in the earlier post. And today I'm going to do a cat motif. This is a cat motif. So if you do not want to have this square piece around it, you can just have this cat motif and sew it onto your head or your back or your clothes. So if you want to turn this into a table runner or a cup coaster, then we're going to have these square sides and join a few square sides and you will get a table runner or a cup coaster, a small one. So we're gonna do this. This is super easy to do and the cat looks just lovely. Look at that. So I add my marker here to mark where is the turning point, because here when you do a chain, I can't remember chain, I think chain 17, if once you do a chain here it looks like this until someone pulls it up or when you stitch another piece here, then it will look square. If not, it will just drop like this. And the color, choice of color is up to you. You can do multicolor, maybe one in orange, one in yellow, one in blue, so choice is up to you. But I am using lace yarn. I find lace yarn kind of nice to do motifs or coaster or a table runner. And I'm just using orange, so all the whole piece is gonna be orange. I just want one plain color. So since this is lace yarn, so I choose a 2mm hook for this project. It's super easy to do, and you can make one in no time. So let's get started. Okay, we're gonna start with a magic circle. I'm gonna curl it around my finger here. Go pull up a loop and make a knot. So once you have a magic circle, you're gonna chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have 6 here. Then I'm going to do 7 treble crochet into the ring. Means I'm gonna yarn over twice. You go into the magic ring and pull up a loop. Then you're gonna put through 2 by 2. So this is my treble crochet. So now I need to do 7. So this is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. 5. 6. And 7. 2, 4, 6, 7. You can actually count this. And now I'm going to chain 2 and do 1 more treble into the magic ring. And it should look like this. And this, do not pull this, just leave it like this for the time being. Okay, once you have this, we're going to turn the work. So we end here You're gonna turn the work like this. So you turn your work and you're gonna chain 3. 1, 2, 3. So once you chain 3, yarn over, I'm going to do 4 double crochet into this space area here. This space, you do 4 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this chain 3 also count as a double crochet. So technically you have 5 double crochet in this space area. So once you're done with this space area, I'm going to do double crochet in the next 2 stitch. Make sure when you grab your yarn, you put through both loops. If not, you will have a line in front. And this is the back, this is the front. So we're gonna do 1 double crochet and another one in the next stitch, 2 double crochet. And the next stitch, I'm going to do an increase. This stitch here, I'm going to do increase. Increase means 2 double crochet into that same stitch. And it's gonna look like this. If I hold it like this, maybe you can see better. This is 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, and this is an increase. Then again, I'm going to do double crochet in the next 2 stitch. So this is 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet. Oh no, sorry, only 1 double crochet in between. So after this increase, you just do 1 double crochet and you do an increase. After this increase, I'm going to do double crochet in the next 2 stitch. So let me spread it out so that you can see better. 1, 2, increase, 1, increase, 1, 2. And now in this space area here, you're going to do 5 double crochet in that space. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 double crochet into the space area and you will have something like this. Okay, once we are at this stage, continue here. We are not going to turn the work, we're going to continue this way. So you're going to chain 2, 1, 2, and you're going to do a double treble into the magic ring. Means you're going to yarn over 3 times. Yarn over 3 times, go into the magic ring, the earlier magic ring, pull up a loop, and you put through 2 by 2. Then you're going to chain 2 again, 1, 2. So after this chain 2, you're going to do 8 treble crochet into the magic ring. 1, 2. Yarn, you're going to put yarn over twice. And you're going to do 8 treble into this magic ring. So this is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you're gonna look like this. And again, I'm gonna chain 2. You do a double treble into the magic ring. Double treble means you're gonna yarn over 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Go into the magic ring. Pull up a loop. Then you're gonna put through 2 by 2. And again, you're gonna chain 2, 1, 2. And you're gonna join to the top here, because here you see it starts from the top. So you're gonna slip stitch onto this, the top of this chain 3. Pull this longer a bit. Now you can pull this magic ring. Now the magic ring is kind of big. Give it a pull until it is quite small. There is no way you're gonna seal this hole because there are too many stitches here. So this will be like the nose. And 2 eyes, the nose. And now we're gonna do the ear. So here, remember, there's no way you can seal this hole. You just pull as much as you can. And this will be the nose. As for this part here, later we are going to hide it a bit here and we're gonna cut it off. Okay, for this tail from the magic ring, I'm just gonna weave it in here a bit. And I'm going to cut the yarn. And our cat is almost done. Okay, now let's do the ear. We last stop at the slip stitch onto the top of this chain 3. So after this chain 3, we are going to slip stitch another 3. 1, 2, 3. You're gonna slip stitch 3 to go to somewhere in the middle of the eye. I'll consider this as the eye. So it goes somewhere in the middle of this eye. So here I am going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're gonna chain 5. And then you're gonna yarn over. You are going to do a half double crochet on the 3rd stitch from the hook. This is the hook. This is the 1st stitch, 2nd, and 3rd. I normally would put my hook at the bottom here so that I have 2 strands on top and 1 at the bottom. This way I won't cause a hole. If you only pull 1 strand, you might cause a hole. So I'm going to put through all 3. So this is a half double crochet. I'm going to yarn over, go to the next stitch. I'm going to do a double crochet. Then I'm going to yarn over twice and go to this last stitch here. Excuse me. Then I'm going to put through 2 by 2. And then you see this stitch is taken. So I'm going to come from here, 1 2 3 4 5, go to the fifth one, which I will end up quite the middle of the head. So you have one ear here like this. So from here I'm going to slip stitch another 4 stitch, 1 2 3 and 4, and again I am going to chain 5, 1 2 3 4 5, and we're gonna do another ear here. Now you can see this ear. Now we're gonna do another ear here. You're gonna yarn over, go to that third stitch from the hook, and you do a half double crochet, put through all 3. Then you yarn over, you go to the next stitch, you do a double crochet, then you yarn over twice, you go to this last stitch here and do a treble crochet. Then again this second 1 2 3 4 5, and you do a slip stitch there, and you have 2 ears now.